texturize my own hair. I've been natural for more than 7 years, and it's becoming so difficult to maintain the hair. So I've gone ahead and sectioned the hair into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So because I'm just doing my own hair, so it can be manageable, I'm going to use the SHEA moisture, SHEA Miracle Moisture Intense formula. This is what I'm using for today's texturizer. This is what comes in the box. The softening cream by its own. There is the curl control pre-treatment. There is a normalizing shampoo. The leave-in conditioner and the bouncy curls pudding. We also have gloves that I'll be using, but before that, I'm going to apply before I have texturized. I'm going to start with behind, so I'm going to tap. The hairline is going, guys, that's why I just want to do this. I just want to start with it. It actually has a smell. I don't know what is that smell, but definitely has a smell. On the cover. Just massaging it. Massage it. See? This comes Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curls. Look at those curls. I went ahead and cleaned the hair off the camera. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's still very puffy. I have too much hair, you know, but I don't know where the curls that we were seeing went. I think I have a little curl pattern going on, so I'm just going to do step 5 and step 6 as I said. So step 5 is the leave-in conditioner and step 6 is the bouncing curls. So I'm going to put it and see if it's going to transform my hair. So I'll start with the leave-in. Just tiny bit like that. Tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Warm it up. That's how it looks like. Try combing. Let's see what happens with the pudding. Somebody explain to me, where did all those curls that I saw go? I was so excited. I'm not going to say anything. I don't know if the curls are there. You can see the curls. This is it. What I've noticed is the hair has become very soft, right? Do I think it's worth it? No. I think if you just want straight hair, I'm not going to straighten it today. I'll wait for 1 week and then straighten it.